Hello everyone, welcome back to the Sarah and Leo English podcast. I am Sarah.
And I am Leo. Sorry I am late, Sarah.
You are very late, Leo. We started recording 10 minutes ago. What happened? You look exhausted.
It was a disaster. The street outside, it was a car festival.
A car festival?
Yes. Cars everywhere. Nobody moving. Beep beep everywhere. And I tried to catch the taxi, but the driver, he ignored me.
He ignored you?
Yes. I waved my hand, I shouted, "Hey car. I want sit on you," but he just drove away.
Oh, Leo. I think I know why he drove away. You shouted, "I want sit on you"?
Yes. I wanted to sit on the seat. Inside the car.
That sounds very wrong in English. If you say sit on you, it sounds like you want to sit on the driver's lap.
Oh no. Really? That is embarrassing.
And car festival isn't the right word either. Today, we need to fix your transportation vocabulary immediately, before you scare another taxi driver.
Please help me. I don't want to walk to the studio again.
Okay, listeners, did you hear Leo's mistakes? They are very common. Let's fix them right here in the studio.
Yes, tell me. Why was the driver scared?
First, when you want to enter a vehicle like a bus, train, or taxi, never say sit on. For a taxi, simply say, "Can I get a ride?" or just give the destination. For a bus or train, use the phrasal verb, get on.
Get on. Okay. I want to get on the bus. Not, sit on the driver. Got it.
Second, the car festival. We call that a traffic jam. Or you can say, the traffic is bumper to bumper.
Bumper to bumper. That is a funny phrase.
It means the cars are so close they are almost touching. And finally, nowadays, we don't usually shout at taxis on the street. We use apps. We say book a ride.
Like Grab or Uber. I have the app, but I didn't know the English words to use in it.
Today, we will practice exactly that. We will use the shadowing technique to help you master ride-sharing, public transport, and travel updates.
I am ready. No more running. Let's learn.
Let's imagine you are using your phone to get a car. This is very important for travel. Listen to the rhythm and repeat after me. Listen carefully. What is the estimated fare?
Estimated fare.
To the city center?
To the city center.
Full sentence. What is the estimated fare to the city center?
What is the estimated fare to the city center?
Remember, fare is the cost of the trip. Now, tell the driver where you are. Please pick me up.
Please pick me up.
At the side entrance.
At the side entrance.
Full sentence, please pick me up at the side entrance.
Please pick me up at the side entrance.
You are in the car. You want to stop. Can you drop me off?
Can you drop me off?
Right at the corner?
Right at the corner.
Full sentence, can you drop me off right at the corner?
Can you drop me off right at the corner? Drop me off. I like this phrase. It sounds natural.
Yes, it's much better than stop here now, which sounds rude. Now, let's switch gears. Let's talk about the subway or bus. Leo, you said you got lost on the subway before?
Yes. I went in a circle for 1 hour.
Okay, let's practice asking for help. Repeat after me. Does this train?
Does this train
Go all the way?
go all the way?
To the airport?
To the airport?
Full sentence, does this train go all the way to the airport?
Does this train go all the way to the airport?
How do you pay? Listen. Do I need a ticket?
Do I need a ticket?
Or can I tap to pay?
Or can I tap to pay?
Full sentence, do I need a ticket or can I tap to pay?
Do I need a ticket or can I tap to pay? Tap to pay is so convenient. Just use the phone. Beep.
Sometimes you need to change lines. Where do I transfer?
Where do I transfer?
To the red line?
To the red line.
Full sentence, where do I transfer to the red line?
Where do I transfer to the red line?
This is for you, Leo. Since you are always late.
Hey. Only today.
Okay. But you need to learn how to explain it professionally. I am running late.
I am running late.
Because of heavy traffic.
Because of heavy traffic.
Full sentence, I am running late because of heavy traffic.
I am running late because of heavy traffic.
It is impossible to move.
It is impossible to move.
During rush hour.
During rush hour.
Full sentence. It is impossible to move during rush hour.
It is impossible to move during rush hour.
My ETA is.
My ETA is.
15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Full sentence. My ETA is 15 minutes.
My ETA is 15 minutes.
Excellent work, Leo. Now, we are going to do a simulation right here. A role play.
A simulation. Okay. I am acting now. I am ready.
Let's pretend I am an Uber driver, and you are the passenger. You are at a hotel and you need to go to a meeting.
Okay. I open the app. I type the address. Okay, the app says confirm booking.
Beep. Booking confirmed. Your driver, Sarah, has arrived. Hi there. Are you Leo?
Yes, that's me. Hi. Thanks for coming so fast.
No problem. Where are you heading today?
I am going to the convention center. Does the GPS show the fastest route?
Yes, but it looks like there is a traffic jam on Main Street. It is bumper to bumper.
Oh, I see. Is there a different way? I don't want to be late.
I can take the tunnel. It might be faster.
That sounds good. Please take the tunnel. What is my ETA?
The ETA is 20 minutes.
Perfect. I will text my boss. Running late due to traffic. ETA 20 minutes.
And, we arrived.
Thanks. Can you drop me off right here at the curb?
Sure thing. Have a good meeting. Bravo, Leo. That was much better than Car Festival.
It felt very natural. Drop me off, ETA, bumper to bumper. I feel like a native speaker.
And notice, you didn't ask to sit on me this time.
No. I learned my lesson. Get in the car, not sit on the driver.
Exactly. Listeners, transportation vocabulary is all about simple, specific phrases. Practice the shadowing sections in this podcast, and you will travel with confidence.
Don't get stuck in traffic. Use the subway if you can.
Great advice. Thanks for listening to Sarah and Leo English. See you in the next episode.
Bye everyone. Book a ride and stay safe.